Welcome to Like Health. Are you drinking clove water for its health benefits? You might be surprised to learn that it's not safe for everyone. Clove water is packed with powerful antioxidants and healing properties. But it can also cause serious side effects in some people. In today's video, we'll uncover the top benefits of clove water, the possible risks you need to watch out for, and most importantly, who should completely avoid drinking it. Benefit number 1. Boosts digestion. Clove water is known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion naturally. Drinking it on an empty stomach may improve your overall gut health. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the digestive tract. It also helps reduce acidity and promotes better nutrient absorption. People with weak digestion may find it especially helpful. A simple glass daily can make a noticeable difference over time. Benefit number 2. Strengthens the immune system. Clove is rich in antioxidants, especially eugenol, which fights free radicals. These compounds boost your body's natural defense system. Clove water may help reduce the risk of infections and viruses. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties. This makes it a natural immune booster, especially during cold seasons. Regular consumption supports your body's ability to heal and recover. It's a great addition to your daily health routine. Benefit number 3. Improves oral health. Clove has been used for centuries to treat dental issues. Drinking clove water can help fight bacteria in the mouth. It reduces bad breath, gum inflammation, and even toothaches. Its natural antiseptic properties cleanse the mouth gently. Some people even use clove water as a mouth rinse. It supports overall oral hygiene and freshens breath naturally. Perfect for those who prefer chemical-free dental care. Benefit number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Clove water may help stabilize blood sugar levels in the body. It improves insulin function and helps in managing glucose levels. This is especially useful for people with type 2 diabetes. Its compounds slow down sugar absorption in the gut. However, it should be taken with caution and medical advice. It's not a replacement for medication but can support treatment. Always consult your doctor before using it regularly for diabetes. Benefit number 5. Supports respiratory health. Clove water can help clear congestion and ease breathing. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce irritation in the airways. It's especially helpful for people with asthma, colds, or bronchitis. Clove acts as an expectorant, helping expel mucus naturally. Warm clove water can soothe a sore throat and dry cough. It also contains compounds that fight respiratory infections. Perfect as a natural remedy during flu and allergy seasons. Benefit number 6. Enhances liver function. Clove contains antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative stress. Eugenol, the main active compound, supports liver detoxification. Drinking clove water may improve enzyme function in the liver. It helps in breaking down harmful toxins more efficiently. This can lead to better metabolism and energy levels. However, overuse may burden the liver, so moderation is key. Always combine with a healthy lifestyle for best results. Benefit number 7. Reduces inflammation and pain. Clove is a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. Clove water may help reduce joint pain and arthritis symptoms. Its compounds block the signals that cause inflammation in the body. Many people use it to ease headaches and muscle tension. Drinking it regularly can support the body's healing process. It may also help reduce menstrual cramps in women. A gentle herbal way to manage everyday aches and pains. Benefit number 8. Improves skin health. Clove water can help purify the blood and promote clear skin. Its antibacterial properties may reduce acne and breakouts. Drinking it supports the body's natural detox process. It helps fight inflammation that can cause skin problems. You may notice smoother, brighter skin over time. Some even use cooled clove water as a natural toner. Great for maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion naturally. While clove water has many benefits, excessive intake can be harmful. It may cause irritation in the stomach lining or lead to acidity. Some people experience allergic reactions like skin rashes or itching. Drinking too much may also affect liver function in sensitive individuals. It can lower blood sugar levels too much, especially for diabetics on medication. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it unless advised by a doctor. People with bleeding disorders should be cautious. Clove can thin the blood. If you're taking blood thinners or undergoing surgery, avoid clove water. Always consult a healthcare provider before using it regularly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new